The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the LG V60 ThinQ 5G UW Verizon Wireless. So the V60 is now here at Verizon Wireless. Currently, as of this recording of this video, it's currently available for pre-order. That's nice. So the V60 is here. LG's flagship phone for 2020. I believe that this is their flagship phone for 2020 because we don't know what the G9 is going to be. We don't know if the G9 is going to be a mid-range phone or a flagship phone. We don't know about the G9. So this is a flagship phone for 2020 for LG. Nice looking phone. There it is right there. It's available in two colors. Of course, you guys have classic white or classic blue. Available in 128 gigabytes of storage. And if you guys read up here, it says it right here during this video recording. I don't know if I'll say it when this is officially available to buy, but it says here, buy one get one on us with new line plus get 5G access and no extra charge. Switch and save up to $300 more, or upgrade and save up to $450 with trade. You also need unlimited required, of course, and get an LG dual screen on us. So pretty cool. So they're doing it during the pre-order period. So it's pretty nice. I don't know if they'll be available during the official release of this phone. So yeah, this is my phone right there. Like I said, it's available in 128 gigabytes of storage. You do have two options to pay for it, monthly or for retail. So the LG V60 is $39.58 at Verizon Wireless for 24 months. So $39.58 a month, or $9.49 for retail price. Yeah, it says it delivered by April 2nd, 2020. So I'm guessing that's the release date for this phone for Verizon. So yeah, like I said, when you guys watch this video, it will have pre-order, but when this video goes live, it should be available for you guys to purchase. So I'm guessing April 2nd is the release date for this phone. So yeah. So anyways, here's the phone. Hey, you guys have your notch there, button keys on the left, and your Google Assistant key on the left as well. Power button. There on the right side, you do have an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is really nice. I do like the wallpaper there, pretty nice and colorful. Alright. So there's the front of it. There's the back of it. As you guys can see, this is the classic blue version that we're looking at. I personally like the white version. That's just my opinion. I'm not a fan of the blue. I'm just not a fan of it. The white one looks pretty nice. But you guys have the 5G logo on back, LG logo there. It looks like you have a dual tone flash. And 3 cameras maybe. I think it's 3 cameras here. It looks like it's 4 cameras, but I think it's actually 3 cameras on back there. So pretty nice there. What's this? The left side. Like I said, the volume keys in your Google Assistant key. And I'm not sure what this is. Probably some trapper, maybe. Let's see. The right side has nothing, so I'm guessing the left side will house your SIM tray right here because it has that little hole. So I'm guessing that's where your SIM tray goes right there. I'm guessing. Pretty interesting place to put it, you know what I'm saying? There's the right side of the phone. Here's the front of it again. Pretty nice looking phone. I am a big fan of this one here. See what it looks like in white. Like I said, I like it in white. I personally do. That's the front of it. In the back, that's what it looks like in white here. So pretty nice in white, in my opinion. So you have 2 color options to choose from: classic white or classic blue. So Yeah. Says share more of what you love with the LG V60 ThinQ 5G UW. What a long name for a phone. The UW is Verizon's ultra wideband network. So that's what to say. This sleek phone is ready for 5G content creation like never before. Snap more photos with the 64 megapixel camera and record videos in stunning 8K video. Vlog like a pro using voice bokeh, a cutting-edge audio feature that lets your voice stand out. That lets your voice stand out with surprising clarity, even in noisy environments, or immerse yourself in your favorite 4K content on a large 6.8-inch OLED full vision display. Share more, do more with the power of Verizon's ultra-fast 5G ultra-wideband network and the LG V60 ThinQ 5G UW. So what a long name for a phone now, so yeah. So this is pretty cool. So the LG V60 has 18.75 days of standby time, which is pretty nice. 38.41 hours of usage time, 64 megapixel main camera, 3.6 inches in width, and 6.67 inches in height. There. So you guys can see the demonstrations of the dual screen there. You can use that for a gamepad if you want to get started here. They're showing a racing game. I'm not sure what racing game this is, but it's pretty cool. It says ready, set, go 5G. Share your life as vividly as you expect it with the 5G ready LG V60 ThinQ 5G UW. Outfitted with the latest chipset technology and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, you can stream, share, and browse at lightning fast speeds. Experience everything Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network has to offer on the LG V60 ThinQ 5G ultra wideband. But what a fucking name for a phone, right? What a name. Jesus Christ. You have a cinematic display, of course, as it says, what's your favorite 5G content on a nearly edge-to-edge full vision cinematic display. The massive 6.8-inch OLED glass display lets you enjoy more of your favorite content in striking clarity, vibrant color, and beautiful contrast. And with 5G speeds, you can enjoy high quality content even faster. Capture and share more. Shoot and share all your Instagram worthy moments with the 13 megapixel ultra wide angle and 64 megapixel rear camera. The 64 megapixel is your main camera sensor. You have a 13 megapixel wide angle lens as well. Both rear cameras have state-of-the-art high resolution technology for brighter photos in low light conditions and sharp, clear images even where enlarged. And when you want to snap a selfie, the 10 megapixel front-facing camera will capture the perfect shot for all your social media goals. So, pretty nice there. Pro quality video, shoot, shake-free, super stable video without missing a beat. Capture all your special moments in high quality, striking detail with 8K video. And if you want to shoot longer after the sun's gone down, then simply switch on night mode. It's pretty nice there. It says filter out the noise, separate the background noise from what really matters. Voice bokeh technology lets you minimize background noise and amplify only the voice you want to hear, so that's a really nice feature to have. So if you're recording videos in a noisy environment, you can adjust the voice bokeh there, so it's pretty cool. 5G speeds all day long. This smart battery can handle all the demands of ultra-fast 5G content and still grow all day. Enjoy more, do more, get more done with a battery that won't quit before you do. multitask like a master. They're talking about the dual screen feature there, which is a must-have feature for this phone. If you guys if y'all guys get the V60, get the dual screen feature, get it. It says for those who want to get more done, simply pop the LG V60 ThinQ 5G UW into the dual screen case. Use the second screen to text your phone while you watch a video, or update your fantasy football on one screen and check stats on the other. The dual screen case lets you quickly and easily toggle between apps so you can do more, see more, and experience more. So the LG dual screen feature is a must-have for this phone. It's a must-have. If you guys get this phone, like I said, you guys will want the dual screen case for it. So you guys have LTE advanced with this phone, so it's with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 450 from coast to coast. It's a world device, so you can use it in over 200 countries, depending on what plan you have. 18.75 days of standby time, 38.41 hours of usage time, 64 megapixel main camera on back, 10 megapixel front facing camera, 3.6 inches in width. The V60 weighs 7.69 ounces, so it's a bit hefty. I'm sure it weighs a lot more with the case. Or I'm guessing that is without the case, so the case will weigh more. So I think the V60 weighs 7.69 ounces by itself, but if you guys add the dual screen case to it, it'll weigh a lot more. The height of the V60 is 6.67 inches. The screen on the V60 is 6.8 inches, Full HD Plus, OLED full version display that's 20.5 by 9, that's 2460 by 1080 pixels, 5000 mAh battery, Android 10 on board, 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB of RAM. Like I said, 2 color options, classic blue or classic white. I personally like the white version myself. There's your bands there. Wi-Fi connection is dual band, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11, ABGN, ACAX, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. You also have HD voice on board, of course. It's a HD voice sensor experience, HD voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling. It may cause anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. So that's nice to have. If you guys need help with your LG V60, Verizon has you covered with that with device support. So it says that Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So device support is a great tool to check out. And what you guys get in the LG V60 box from Verizon, you guys will get the LG V60 ThinQ 5G smartphone, price of SIM card, embedded battery, which is 5000 milliamps, wall and USB charger, some ejection pen, quick reference card, product safety, and warranty brochure there. So there you guys have the LG V60 ThinQ 5G ultra wideband, now available at Verizon Wireless for $949.99 for retail price, or $39.58 for 24 months. So pretty nice phone here. Yeah. So it's currently in pre-order as of the video recording. It's currently in pre-order. I think it's supposed to be released on April 2nd. That's what it says right there. So I'm guessing April 2nd is when the phone will get released. So yeah, so they said pre-orders on the 26th of March, and I think this phone gets released on April 2nd, which is next Thursday, or whatever. So this phone is kind of in pre-order mode on the this one's kind of in pre-order as of the video recording, but when the video live, this phone's will be available for you guys to purchase. And if you guys pre-order the V60, y'all can get a do screen case and stuff like that. So read the offer up there to check it out if you guys are interested. And like I said, if y'all guys get the V60, get the dual screen case. It's definitely worth the investment there. That's the main reason why to get this phone, because of the dual screen case, because it will make your phone thicker, but it will give you more multitasking capabilities as well. So you get the dual screen case for the V60, so that's a win there. So when this video goes live, the V60 should be available to be purchased. So yeah, there you guys have the LG V60 ThinQ 5G Ultra Wideband, now available at Verizon Wireless, and like I said, for $949.99 for retail price of $39.58 a month for 24 months straight. So yeah, what a long ass time for this phone here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys, and yes, man, a lot. Peace and rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching another video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.